Hello everyone. Today, let me introduce to the gold duck the of Srakthnang in Khmer language, and it is the vendor store. It's along the railway track around 1 kilometer from Po Chun Thong International Airport. You will meet the guys, the seller here, and he's really nice and he talked to us, he smiled to us, and he makes his customer to feel that it's not too long to wait for the duck to be grilled, and then you can smell a very fragrant from the special leaves in the duck putting in the duck which is grilled, and then wow, well, very interesting, and you look so delicious and tasteful to the duck, and then you are anxious to eat the duck. Yeah, you can go the as my recommendation. It you can try. It's very interesting. Okay, thank you for watching.